Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will making cream horns. First we need a pastry dough. So I make a pastry dough yesterday. You also can buy pastry dough at a supermarket at a frozen section. First you need a sprinkling flour on the surface working place. Like a so cut a square. So today we'll make a 12. So need this long. On rulers. So just if like that, have an egg yolk. Need an egg yolk. Then rolling. Okay, need a cracker 1 egg. We need only need the egg yolk. Put some milk. Add some milk. Use brush. Just put some there. Brush the egg dough. I'm not a professional. Yeah.
Needs to be bigger, about half.
Okay. Just a little. I'm rolling too tight. Oh, can you bring the tray? Oh, on the. Okay, put it on the sheet. Okay. So we'll cut this again. This is the last one. I already put last coat the coating, the egg yolk the coating. You need to put the seams on the bottom, on the parchment paper on the bottom one, so when they bake don't have to broke. Okay, my oven already preheating for 400, so right now it's ready. I put inside for about 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. Okay, let's look inside what's going. So it's looking good. Okay, it's time to take our cream horns out of oven. Let's look. Okay, turn off the oven. You smell it. You smell it so good. See the color? It's really golden brown. Put it in the cooler rack because the pans will be so hot. Ooh. So hot, they have the moisture. Ooh. 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 1, 2. So you don't have to hold the horn, the metal one. The metal one is burn you. Don't touch it. Usually you have to wear the glove better, but my hand is too. I used to it. Okay, last one. Done. Ta-da! While the cream horns cooling, we stop making fillings. So we need a heavy whipped cream, powdered sugar, stabilizer. Okay, that's my 1/2 cup of a heavy whipped cream and 1/4 cup powdered sugar and stabilizer. Okay, I put it on together. I was starting whip it. We use low speed to blend. For the better result, I use 1 ice cube, put it in a big bowl, then put the whipped cream, blend again. Once it looks like this, it's done. It's done. Okay, now I will start put the cream in the pastry bag, put it in the refrigerator until the cream horns completely cool and ready. Okay. This cream you can put any filling, the pastry bag fillings. You can use apple pie, dessert, or drink like a coffee. They very useful for every dessert, right? the cream horns is completely cool. So now we start to put the filling into the cream horns. Okay, you'll need to twist a little bit. Okay, you start turning, fill the cream horns. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, the last step, we just put the powdered sugar on the cream horns, the surface, the top. Just sprinkle it. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching.